In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Boxycharm coupon promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Boxycharm coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called terminal.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this $10 discount of your first purchase, all you need to do is simply tap right here where it says shop code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and apply it on your next purchase, on your first purchase actually, in order to get the $10 discount. Also, we have right here this website, which is called riches.com. And right here, we also have a list with some promo codes, as you can see. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount right here, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says copy code. And here is your promo code right here that you can simply copy and you can apply this one on the next purchase in order to get a 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.